Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix problem with USB drive not showing in my computer. Type disk management in Windows search bar, click create and format hard disk partitions. Right-click USB drive, click Change drive letter and paths. Click Add, check assign the following drive letter, change any drive letter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.